Hey, what's up guys? You're back with your man Tech Nick, your go-to guy for videos on the latest tech. And now today, it really is all about the latest tech. I have the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 with me, the midnight black version, 128 gig variant from Korea themselves. This is straight from Samsung, well, one of the LTE certified Samsung stores, whatever you have going on there with Korea. But let's get straight into it. So this is a couple days before launch of the phone. I managed to get my hands on it since it came from Korea. Now, if you're buying this in the States, you're not going to be able to get the midnight black version, only the ocean blue and lavender purple. So let's open this right up. And let's get straight into the box. So the front over here, I forgot to mention, we have that little S Pen. If you get the blue version, the front's going to be yellow and gold. Over here it's just black, very subtle. They want to make sure that this is for the executive. And I guess Americans don't have executives because they aren't treated to the midnight black version. Anyway, let's get past that. So to open up the box over here, we're greeted to a wonderful Galaxy Note 9 branding over here. I guess the first thing they want you to see is not so much the phone, but that they are actually excited to have given you a little bit of a freebie here. And we have a wonderful clear cover. And now for me, this is a first from Samsung. I never got this with any of the S ranges that I've gotten before. I never bought the S9 or S9 Plus, so I don't know if there was a cover included, but I highly doubt it. But yeah, this is awesome. Thank you, Samsung. Thank you for that. Let's throw this to the side. We have our little pin here, which is great. Put that to the side and then go straight for the phone. Look at that. Bam. Got a little bit of the features on the front there. Flip it to the back. We have the cameras. Some more features over there. We'll get to that in a second. Let's see what else is in this box. So we've got the standard adaptive fast charging. Still looks the same as it did 5 years ago. I guess if it's not broken, don't fix it. So we have that, which is cool. We've got the USB OTG. This is great. Many phone companies don't include this, so I'm glad Samsung are still doing this. I guess when you're spending $1,000 for a phone, you do expect these premium little bits of accessories that make you enjoy that unboxing experience a little bit more. I've got this fancy little, I don't know if you guys know what this is, let me know. It's like a tongs. Okay, let's move on. We have USB Type-C charger cord over here, which is cool. This is USB 3.1, so that's great for getting things on the fly on your PC. Huge thing for me with Samsung, AKG earphones. Amazing. So many companies these days, especially Chinese manufacturers, don't include earphones in their box, but I guess those are mid-range handsets. Even if you are spending quite a bit of cash there, I guess not many people use earbuds that much, but these are premium ones. They cost about $80 if you were to buy them yourself. They are great sounding earphones. I still had similar ones back with the S8 Plus. We've got some extra earbud sizes over here. So let's shoot straight over to the phone. So peel this off and you'll notice it is all screen. Now the bezels are a bit thicker than on the Galaxy Note 8, and while we have that booting up, Galaxy Note 9 powered by Android, shoot over to the back and we have our IMEI numbers and the dual lens camera setup here. We have the fingerprint sensor over here, which is actually not too much of a stretch. I know people say it's a stretch, but coming from the Honor Note 10, that 7-inch phablet, that was a real big stretch. This actually feels kind of comfortable, a lot easier to reach than next to the camera system. So yeah, we have it there. Hi there. Bixby is busy getting things ready for us, and while she is, we have the SIM tray at the top here, which you can also throw a micro SD into up to 512 gigs, which is pretty impressive. At the bottom, we have the USB Type-C port, we have the headphone jack, thank God for that, and we have the ever so elegant midnight black S Pen, which is great. The yellow gold one with the ocean blue is nice, but to me, this is just, I mean, if I just have this on my desk at work and I'm just sitting with the phone, like, I don't have anyone walking past like, oh my God, what is that gold thing doing on your table? Like, I could just pick this up, looks like a regular pen, start taking down notes. It's a little more subtle. I prefer it. Midnight black version is definitely the version for me, for my personality anyway. So yeah, on the side we have the volume rock, we have the power button on this side. On this side we have the volume rocker and the Bixby button. Still not sure why this is a Bixby button, but if it can change up as something else, that's a great extra button to have. So yeah, here is the phone. Looks beautiful as always with that wonderful Quad HD Samsung OLED Infinity display. I'm excited to get into this, and I guess I don't want to go any further in this because I want to keep that for the review, guys. I want you guys to come back for more. So please, if you're interested in seeing my full review, throw some comments down my way below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, boop on those notifications, and I'll hit you guys back up next time. So until the full review, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you soon. And that's a wrap from your man, Technic.